I wrong. Lolo, if I lie toto for you, make you still talk. Make we two go swear. But you, they open your toto for me and with one person. Don't forget. You call both of us. You put us for line. You were doing it for us. Lolo, come and swear. If you can swear that it's a lie, I will do DNA. I will do DNA. Okay? Stop deceiving people. And again, Lolo, I want you to call your husband to live video while I do confession. I will give you and your husband free ticket to enter my pay show. Can you do it? People when no Emmanuel Alaribe. Make una help me tell and say Monica wants to invite the Alaribe to enter show. Free, no pay. Let me confess to your husband. You, anything when you know, say me and you do for back. Confess to my husband. Let's see which person you own. People go know say not true. Okay? Social media presenters. If you really talk, say you be truth teller. This is the time you call both of us. I am ready to do DNA. If Lolo can swear that I have, she never purposely, they open a toto for me every now and then on telephone call. I go there work, he go the strip, I go put my phone for where I dey clean, I go dey wash, I do it. If he don't look, if he don't see who they look and do it, she cannot come. This has been my predicament in Lolo friendship. When someone had told me, don't do it again for her, I stop. Since then, he never did well. I stop. And Lolo, you know I'm saying the truth. But if you know I'm not saying the truth, go and bring juju paper for me. Don't let day break. Before 1 hour, bring juju paper. I go follow you. I be Christian, but I go follow you. Okay? Then, me too, I'll go do DNA. Hence you say you're Irish. Hence you say, na me tell you. Hence you say, na true, I'll go do DNA. But you must have to swear if Austin not fuck you. If you not put two people join you for lying, then I will know the kind of human being where you really be when you can deny these things. I get proof. I have witness. I know you get tongue of lying. You can lie and deny. But I am saying it, go and bring juju paper. Lolo, go and bring juju paper. Lolo, if Austin not fuck you, go bring juju paper. Lolo, swear, say Austin not fuck you. Lolo, swear, say Leonard Ajayi of Netherlands not fuck you. Swear. If you swear, finish. If I don't go do DNA, whatever it costs, you know I am not Monica. Then, my people, that downfall, whether they wish for me, may he follow me. Lolo, swear, say you not put 2 or 4 for line. While you strip until you come. I shall keep the rest story inside my page show because those ones, they are too pathetic to hear. Not until you swear, Lolo. Anyone that will join you to ask for DNA, make fire of God rain down in their home spiritually. I am ready to do DNA, my people, because our friendship where I do, now it don't they draw me since 1 year now. She had nothing to lose. That's why her husband cannot talk to her. Nobody can talk to her. She's in her own world. She know how she manipulates people around her. Okay? For she doesn't care. But me, I am saying it. Lolo, you want to bring me down with DNA? I will do it, but you have to swear. If Leonard Ajayi did not have sex with you several times that I know, my eye reach. No be they say, this one not be Monica tell me. Read. If I did not know the room number, room 011 in UK, where Austin, woolish for woolly, your toto. Go and swear if I lie. Lolo, swear. But if you cannot swear, Lolo, please stop lying. Stop confusing social media. It's not good. Stop deceiving the presenter. Make the focus. Not finish the way you take finish yourself with winner. That's why you are not progressing. Lie cannot make you progress. If you must come out straight, come out straight. This is what I have done. That is what the dirty job I've been doing for you. You strip all night. You strip all night. I am always there for you. Anytime say I'm not in the mood, you go crazy and begin to call these bastard boys up and down. Lola, if I lie, swear. Lola, if I lie, swear. I've been looking at you all this while because I know say now you share their body. I never ever give you my kpekos may you lick. You know also give me. You want me to lick you, but I say no, my dear. I know they do one, but we are one me a problem there. Lolo, if this one where they talk I like, swear. Monica Morebame, I am ready to follow you go anywhere. After you do your own, if I don't do DNA, it shall be my downfall. If you can carry juju and swear, say, Lord, I don't dare my own one day. Now one day you start that thing. Me and you no fair planner. I know say na so you be. I know say you be the do. But say now that one, I no be no. One day I did my own je in the afternoon. I tell you, say, something like this. After some time, you call me, we are already naked. I tell you, say, hey, see where I did. Oh. You did not care. You start to strip. Lolo, invite your husband, and I will invite my husband. Let us confess to the world. Stop using these people. Mama Gladys, you say you are a true speaker. Listen to the truth and fish out the truth inside. Tell both of us to go to juju. Mona stop to the fight with you. No. That's one I know they feel fight me. One are they dey frustrated. Say Monica they do juju. Person when one fight me with the truth. This is the dirty job I've been doing for Lolo. Lolo will strip all night and all day, all afternoon. I will be at work. I go they do cleaning job. I go they use one hand and look. Say, hey, give me I see again. Yes. If I lie, call me for juju. I want that 1 minute. In short, let us buy tickets. I don't want me even be telephone. Let us buy ticket. Make they carry us enter the deepest of for juju. If I lie, then if you also lie on me, let's do the same thing. But me, I will not give you juju. You say I should go and bring DNA. I will go and bring it. But Lolo, first and foremost, you have to swear. Say Austin no fuck you. And Austin no come back to Holland, come fuck you when Austin they go Italy. Talk say all this men where they talk, they no fuck you. Talk say that man we get opposite for Dublin with his wife. When in with his wife get problem, when the wife drive the man come up for her, talk say you will not satisfy that man every night. Let's go and put hand in juju. Presenter Rita, I'm your hater, I know, but this matter, please fight it for look for the truth. Put two of us on table and look for the truth. Stop, don't take bias. After una don't fight this genuine fight, go cram una. The mona can't fight me for any bad thing where I do. But no, they bias. She they use una. That's why they vex for una. Now so she use Melissa. That's why Melissa no fit get the truth. You they tell Melissa, say this one do, Monica do. You no fit talk your own. Why you no go talk your own? I was a looker. This is my own sin. I never ask her. I never know she do it. She purposely called me one afternoon. and put herself on a video call, wide naked, inside he became bed. It was the first day she did it. I open my eyes, say, what? What did they worry you? I just say a joke. I say, somebody there here. He said she doesn't mind. Lola, if I lie, on that 1 second, I want to see your juju paper on social media. Bring it for me. My name is Atwa Riagbo. Bring it for me. And I will go and do DNA. I don't need anybody money. I will do DNA and prove it. But if Lolo cannot swear, all of una where they support Lolo for evil, una hear the truth, una not go believe. Now my God, I go fight una. Mona better before una die. Una mosian for body. My lovely social media people, this is a cry of freedom. Okay, you guys cannot say, you always say the truth on social media, and you cannot take this truth to fight the truth. Find it out. These two women, this is what we did. Lolo want me to go do DNA. Good, I will do it. But Lolo, you have to swear if you not open to talk for me and somebody. Nobody ask you. We there on our own one afternoon. You take by yourself call when I tell you, say, my husband is around. I want to go and have good time. You called by yourself, naked yourself, and begin to strip. If I lie, Lolo, give me juju paper. After that day, Lolo turned my life to every day. Because open. Because open. Even when I dey walk, he go dey inside bed. Oh, toluwe. Lolo, there are more, but I want your husband to sit down. I will say, Emmanuel Laribe, you will go and bring Igbo Juju, and I will swear, if everything I'm saying against your wife, if it's lie, I will swear. Lolo, bring it. I am not lying, my people. Lolo, go and swear. Bring Juju. Make me and you gotta go. Say, Monica have lied on me. I did not do it. And if there is anyone you keep for me, open it. Don't keep for me again. If there is anyone I have done in your presence, because on my page show tomorrow, everything you have ever done in my presence, that I've been keeping you quiet. If I don't release all tomorrow, I have promised my God, on Thursday I shall die. If I carry one, remain. Anyone, you know what you do, eh? My dear, I am not telling you as a threat. I am telling you that I am done. And go and call your daughter friend. I've told her everything before, and she said, give Lolo a time. People like this, it will take time to get rid of you. After getting someone used to you, open to day and night for me. Lolo, I inviting your husband, you too, my husband will be there, wide open. Please invite your husband. If you know you are innocent, no, they do live video when your husband not there house. Call your husband and say, people when no Lolo husband, Mona call and say, attention, this call for attention. Monica have confession over her wife, and I'm going to swear. I am ready to swear. The things I'm saying now, if I lie, you ask me for DNA, I will do DNA. Okay? Go bring Juju come. If you know if you bring Juju come, may you take deny all this thing where I talk. My dear, your lie go kill you. And it go they disgrace you, they go. So, my lovely presenters, don't stay, not the fucking lot of Ugo Wani. From 2 o'clock, you say 8 o'clock, you won't get some. All day, Wednesday and Saturday, all day, all my mwe gizzard, all my fried rice, all my chinchin, all my bonsi, all the query get again of your no go shuku. if you no go chuku na mo telephone mo joni obo ogbe ije ipa eneni tane ga to ge lolori ebegu me e o te ora mu ejo ya ni wa ebegbe mama wa kana ya segbe ni ni ebegberu wa lana no magi fowo to ya de ta eni ni lolo he begberu wa la iga ta Lolo, I go talk. I not be fool when I keep quiet since. Because I say, when you get a me don't talk ba no see ma. Where they ekinimara do on in a way he ni tie. Where any na lolo ya we vempo in a way so pon otama when you get a me warok ba. But it matter mo warok pon ti ene ya we ni pa wo o ha si mi ya we egbe wo mi. O mana ido tama me we o ge keka o me no ya ka munika egige to your for me. If I lie, Lolo, it's high time. Prove yourself. Austin, they fuck you. Austin, fuck you several times. Austin, they come sit up, come fuck you. Lolo, call your husband, come. Because if I talk some kind things tomorrow, your husband can confirm it. I go there. So may you call your husband, come. No, they do everything back of your husband. Okay? No be only in one they look for money. Everybody they look for money. Make your husband look for free. They make it look what you they do for social media. No be because of that one you want kill and only in one they work so that you go see time they do your own thing. You know they control you. But I invite your husband to my show tomorrow free of charge. Let him come and we give him free ticket to the show. He doesn't have to pay the money. After I have said everything when me and you do for but when you never ever talk for social media, are you crazy? Why you know they talk those ones? Why do you continue to use lie to deceive them? This is second year going. You are still doing lie. Do the truth. This is the truth. Bring your paper for me. If all this thing I said, it did not happen to you, Sabina. Lolo, they are adulterate of Austria. You know, say your own are confirmed. Please try to confirm your daughter. If I lie, bring juju for me. No ya we kia ya rule do na because okay say a pesho ya mo ma wa omemi o pa ni like na ya we kia nene mi oye gulugulu e kia ni no wa eke roba ina dege no me we re eke roba we e we mi na ni ori ya to e ni ya gbele you get pesho kia no ruda e wo yo ti la pesho. Okay, mama. Mama, me pesho, eh?